What is rock balancing? It's a reflection of something deeply embedded in our nature, a unique expression of who we are, reflected in every stone we touch. Just as no two people are alike, no two rocks are the same. Yet we take what seems impossible and create something profound, something beautiful, as we stack these ancient stones in ways that defy logic. In this act, we connect with nature at its core. Every rock, shaped over millions of years, tells a story. Each wobble is a reminder to stay present, a call to mindfulness, to authenticity. And when balance is achieved, it's more than just overcoming gravity. It's a moment of inner alignment. This fleeting creation, this mortal masterpiece, is all that matters in that instant. It's not just art, it's the art of now. A dialogue with nature, where the rocks speak and we listen. In that moment, we become one with the stones, one with ourselves, and one with the unseen force that connects everything. It's not just rock balancing. It's a communion of nature, self, and the universe, all coming together. So come with me on this journey. I'm the rock romancer. I roam the mountains, valleys, seas, and rivers of the Sahyadris, seeking out nature's most beautiful places and the rocks that live there, practicing this ancient art of balance. Join me for a workshop and discover a new world of forces and awareness.